Welcome back to Autoland, your go-to destination for everything on wheels, where we break down the most exciting new vehicles hitting the streets. If you're into compact power, urban maneuverability, and modern design at an affordable price, then today's episode is for you. We're talking about the Toyota Wigo Compact 2026, a car that's redefining the small car game with style, safety, and performance, all packed into one. Toyota has always been a trusted name when it comes to reliability, fuel efficiency, and smart design. And with the 2026 Wigo, they've stepped up once again, giving city drivers a whole new reason to get excited. At first glance, the new Wigo looks sharper and more aggressive than its predecessors. The front fascia has been redesigned with a sporty honeycomb grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and bold character lines that add muscle to its compact frame. It's the kind of car that makes a statement without shouting, stylish, but never over the top. Under the hood, the Toyota Wigo 2026 is powered by a 1.0-liter three-cylinder DOHC engine with dual VVT technology. This efficient setup delivers around 67 horsepower and 91 newton-meters of torque, making it perfect for navigating tight city streets or cruising comfortably on the highway. Paired with either a smooth 5-speed manual or ACVT automatic transmission, the Wigo offers drivers a choice that fits their lifestyle, whether they prioritize control or convenience. And let's not forget the superb fuel economy, over 20 kilometers per liter in typical urban settings, keeping your trips not only affordable but also environmentally conscious. Let's talk interior step. Inside the Wigo, and you're welcomed by a surprisingly roomy and refined cabin. Toyota has focused heavily on practicality and ergonomics with a modern dashboard layout, multifunction steering wheel, and an intuitive 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The fabric seats are firm yet comfortable, with good lumbar support for daily driving. And rear passengers will appreciate the generous legroom for a car in this class. Technology and safety are key highlights in the 2026 Wigo. Toyota's advanced safety suite includes dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, a rear parking camera, and vehicle stability control. For a compact vehicle, that's impressive. And in higher trims, you'll even find push-start ignition, power folding side mirrors, and smart entry, features usually reserved for larger, more expensive cars. Toyota is clearly raising the bar for what buyers should expect from an entry level. Compact. In terms of ride quality, the Wigo is nimble, composed, and light on its feet. The suspension has been tuned for urban driving, absorbing bumps and rough patches with ease. The steering is responsive, making tight turns and parking feel effortless, especially in cramped city environments. It's a perfect fit for first-time car buyers, students, or professionals looking for a reliable daily driver that won't break the bank. Another thing to note is Toyota's commitment to keeping maintenance costs low and after-sales support accessible. Parts are widely available, servicing is easy, and the brand's trusted dealership network adds peace of mind to ownership. It's one of the biggest reasons the Wigo continues to dominate its segment year after year. The Toyota Wigo 2026 also comes in a variety of eye-catching colors, from fiery red to sleek silver, and even a punchy metallic orange for those who like to stand out. It's a compact with a big personality, a smart heart, and a stylish soul. Whether you're zipping through morning traffic, parking in tight spots, or heading out on a weekend getaway, this little hatchback is more than ready for the journey. So, is the Toyota Wigo 2026 worth your attention? Absolutely. It's a solid, affordable, and well-rounded package that doesn't compromise on safety, technology, or comfort. In an era where city mobility matters more than ever, the Wigo is proof that good things really do come in small, efficient, and well-designed packages. Thanks for joining us on Autoland. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Toyota Wigo 2026, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest in the automotive world. Drop a comment below. Would you consider the Wigo as your next ride? Or do you have your eyes on something else in the compact category? This is Autoland, where innovation meets the open road. Until next time, drive smart and stay safe.